Hello traders, hope you're all doing well and hope you've had a good weekend. Today is the 28th of July 2024 and in front of me is the chief JPY on a daily time frame. So if you've seen my previous videos, you will understand that the first thing I do once I open a chart is look for an equal high or equal low in the market. So for example, we've been on this uptrend for a very long time. Yeah, we've been on this uptrend for a very long time. And what happens normally, most of 99% of the time is when you are on an uptrend for a long time, then the market has to consolidate. Yeah. So once the market consolidates, it puts on equal highs if you're in an uptrend. So they put on equal highs. If you're on a downtrend, then they put on equal lows in the market. Okay. So so we are on this uptrend. So what we're expecting is an equal high, yeah, which we got right here. So we got this equal highs right there. So these are consolidations. Yeah. So what the bank or the big players do is they use this level to manipulate the retail traders, us. Yeah. So as you can clearly see, we had this rejection from this level. Yeah. So we had these multiple bounces from this level right here. Yeah. Okay. So if you, as you can see on the chart, we were making this higher high, higher low, and higher high. Yeah. And this was the last low that they created. I'll try it properly. I just want to find the the lowest low right there. Yeah. So as you can see, this was the last low that was created before we made this higher high. Yeah. And then we pushed down and broke and closed below that low. Yeah. So when you see this close with this big engulfing red candle, bearish candle, what comes to your mind? Change of trend, right? If you've said that, you're correct. Change of trend because we've broken the previous higher low. Yeah. So then we had this retracement. Okay. If you're supply and demand trader, here is your supply zone where you will go short at. Yeah. So when you had this pullback to this supply zone, you would definitely gonna go short because you would then be thinking that we broke and close this previous low, so this would be a retracement on the supply zone at this supply zone to continue a move to the downside. So your target is most likely going to be this low right here or that low right here. Okay, and as you can see, we had this minor drop here and then it pushed up to stop you out and then rejected the level, and then this is when the support and resistance traders will be going short, yeah, because of this rejection. So they'll be going short right here, and when they go short right here, where would the stop be? The stops are all going to be above that level right there. Yeah, the stops are all going to be right here. That's where the stops are going to be, above the level. Okay, and if you've taken that short there, you're most likely going to be targeting that low because that was the last low. Yeah, or even this low right here. Sorry, or even that low right here. Yeah, so I just move that slowly to the right side. So we came back and then rejected that level once more. Yeah. Okay. Before we then broke out of that level. So we broke out with this huge engulfing candle. Yeah. So this was the first time we've broke and closed above this zone. And if you see this, what would you do? You're definitely going to go long. Okay. And if you're waiting for confirmation to go long, you wait for a break of the high of the close of this engulfing candle, and you got it. Yeah, you got it. Can you see that wick? This wick was a green candle previously. Yeah, before it then closed below and then it wicked. Yeah. So this was definitely a buy for many. And if you've gone long here, where will the stop be? The stop are going to be below this zone there, below this level. Yeah, below there. Yeah. And for the ones that have gone short there, what happened? This engulfing candle came and took them out. Okay. So this engulfing candle is basically to stop you out and to manipulate people to go long. So it does two things at once. Okay. So when I've seen this leg, this breakout, yeah, this is when I start looking for trades. Not to go long here or go long at a retest of the level. No, I go long because I know that they're gonna come back to take out the stops of the ones that have gone long. Yeah, because your stops are so obvious to them because they know where the big players know where our stop losses are, the retail traders stop losses are. So what they do is they come back one more time and take you out before they continue going to the upside. So what I do is I identify a demand zone that was responsible for the breakout, yeah, which was this demand zone right here. So we had this rally, base rally. If you're new to uh, supply and demand strategy, watch my previous videos. I've explained what the supply and demand zones are. The two different types of each supply and demand zones and what they do. Yeah. So check out my previous videos. So this was the demand zone. Okay, identified, responsible for the breakout of this zone. So when I see a pullback to my demand zone, that's when I go long. Yeah, I go long with the big players. Okay, as you can see, bingo. Okay, so this is how I trade um, supply and demand and manipulations. Okay, I hope this explanation is clear. If it isn't, drop me a line and I'll try and respond to you. Okay. All right. Safe trades, and I wish you the best. Take care now. Bye now.